Integrating data can be an intensive, long and expensive process. By building digitally, you're able to immediately virtually compare, test and assess, cutting decision-making times to just days or even hours. Digital simulation technology gives you time to dig deep into the data, gain insights and see firsthand the conflicts or solutions arising in the design process before beginning costly construction or reconfiguration works. At Digitalising, we're able to generate a shared data model that all disciplines can access. This allows processes to be carried out in parallel, saving time and money, all the while increasing engineering quality.